Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making some buffalo chicken wings. Now let's cook. So guys, here we have our chicken wings. Now I'll be seasoning with the Maggi all-purpose season, black pepper, Cajun season, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm just going to massage that season on the chicken, just making sure that it is well coated, honey. Now guys, it's time for the breading process. So I'm using all-purpose flour, and this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'll also be using the same seasoning that I used to season the chicken wings. So now I'm just lightly coating the chicken wings and just setting them aside. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go and do so, and don't forget to turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I post new videos every 2 to 3 times per week, which is pretty often. And also don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now guys, you want to heat your oil in a skillet on medium heat until it's hot. Then you want to add your chicken wings, but for me, I'll be frying these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are golden brown, because I will be finishing them off in the oven. So guys, these are the perfect color that I'm looking for, just golden, beautiful. Okay, now you just want to turn them and let them fry on the opposite side for an additional 2 minutes. So now I'll be transferring them to a wire rack, and in a preheated oven at a temperature at 350 degrees, I'm just going to be baking them for 10 minutes, no longer guys, because you don't want your wings to dry out. So guys, to make my wing sauce, I'm using the famous Frank's Red Hot, and this is the perfect sauce guys to make your buffalo wings. I'll also be using Worcestershire sauce, and this is about 1 tablespoon. Also some brown sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, but I use half of that. And also some white vinegar. Okay, after whisking it, I'm going to be transferring it to a pot with melted butter guys, and I'm just going to let that reduce until it starts to thicken. So now you just want to gently pour your sauce over your wings and toss them in that sauce. Now guys, it's time to plate, and on the side we have some crudite celery and carrot. I also have some dipping sauce, sour cream with dill. And yeah, there you have it guys. Our buffalo chicken wings are just about ready. Oh my goodness, this was so good guys. I hope you guys try this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.